Alright guys, so I have some grass-fed beef here. This is minute steak, and I'm going to make some bok choy with some herbs encrusted hopefully onto the steak, and I'm going to be cooking in water. So I'm going to chop it all up and show you what it looks like, and then do a quick taste test, so stay tuned. Alright, so here's the bok choy already chopped up. Here is the seasoning, so I put some garlic, salt, some white pepper, some herbs, some fennel seeds, oregano, all that stuff. So I'm going to add some water to it and then take it to a boil. And stay tuned. Alright, so here is the steak cooking itself down. The water's going to reduce, it'll make a gravy, and now I'm going to put the bok choy in there. And that'll cook with the nice herbs and spices, and then I'll go quick taste test. So if you have any questions or comments, guys, post below, and stay tuned. Okay, so here it is all done. As you can see, the meat, the bok choy is all done. Let's do a quick taste test here. There we go. So the flavor is quite good. The meat is very lean. Almost has a gamey taste, but not so much. It's quite good. It is leaner and it is a little bit more on the dry side if you overcook it. But when you cook it in the water, you don't really notice that. Alright guys, if you have any questions or comments, post them below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.